Hi, I'm Indu. Welcome to my home. I'm a content creator. I also work for Apnamart as a consultant. I do digital marketing for them. Let me give you a tour of my living space. I like decorating space, and in that space I like to put plants there. You're seeing this, right? This is a coffee stamp. I got it from Coorg. If you see, I have like multiple plants, a lot of plants, and I couldn't do much with the walls, so I used plants because this is like rented space. These are some favorite memories of ours. I put it there, like here, me and my husband. There is my mother-in-law and father-in-law. This is my siblings. This is his siblings. This is his childhood friends, the chatty buddies. And then we have this sofa. This is so mushy. This is so mushy. We got it because we like to watch movies, and just we sit here, we turn on the AC, we turn on the movie, and then just be cozy up here. If I tell you about this ottoman, I like vibrant colors. So if you see the tone, we have grey, little pink, but we needed something to complement this space. That's why we got this colorful ottoman. We wanted a cozy carpet, a cool carpet. So we went to a Kashmiri place, and then we find out that the Kashmiri carpets are very costly. So we went to Banjara market, and we found this. This is slightly the same design and way cheaper than I thought I would get one from Kashmiri market. Let me take you to the Amazon place. This is like Amazon for me. I like bigger plants, and my husband tell me that if I bring any more plants, this place will look like Amazon jungle. I wanted a vertical garden for one of the corners, so I chose this place because it gets multiple sunlight. So my plants are happy, and I'm happy because I created it. And here you can find a little bit collectibles, some of them I made, like this bottle. I like bottle painting. I'm slightly creative. So I made this, I made this, I made this. I painted this panda for my husband. We both are marble fans, so he gave me this. I like this this candle is from Auroville. Good. Little lanterns. This is a gift from one of my friends from Jaipur. I like bamboo because it's eco-friendly, all these things. I'll also show you this thing. This is one stone. I created it like a lamp. Look at this stone. It's very beautiful. Now we are entering to the dining space. These are some of my hand painted work. Here you can see Shiv, Parvati and Ganesha. If we move forward, this is, everybody know, Deadpool, Among Us, Joker, Loki. I painted all of these. I mean, these are the ones left because my friends take away all other good work. On this corner, you'll find a lot of handmade things. I like creating things from scrap. So here you'll find a scrapped bottle, a dandiya, and scrapped tape I used there. Here I used an old light using thread. I made this beautiful light, colorful light. Okay. So I like thrifting. So I got this table from Urban Ladder thrift store for very cheap price. And to complement the color of the table, I used this rug, this white and khaki color it has. And I already mentioned that I like creating things out of waste. So this I created from an old bottle. I also created this. I wanted like same texture, like table like texture on the spoon holder. So I created it out of old monk bottle. So it has like glass inside and the rope things outside. It's really complementing my table. Here we have a small corner for bar like stuff. Initially I got it for like showcasing the bottles I paint. It's still there. I mean, I paint such bottles, scrap bottles. And now we have like few drinks to entertain our friends. Here we have this neon sign. It actually complements this corner because we don't have any other light here. Only this, and there is one light inside it. If we talk about this area, this is a slightly little bar counter type thing. I work here sometimes. And here we have this map. Like me and my husband both are fond of maps. And also it complements our like theme this side, brown and white. So that's why we got here. Let me take you to this corner. I like to decorate things with the things I make. So that's why I made this. I made this like 2 years back. It was initially white, but then to complement the color tone here, I painted it brown. It's a good plant stand. I can hang it anywhere. Let me take you to the book corner I have. This flag we got from Missouri. My husband used to run a channel on YouTube, so we have like 2 YouTube buttons here. Okay. Like multiple books I have read. If you see, we have Harry Potter full series here. We have like Manokal full series here. Good books. We both read, so we got. As I told you before, we like maps, so we have this globe also. Here, this is like one of our friend gave it to us. This I painted. This I created out of scrap again. If you see the paintings I made. A few more paintings I made which people did not took. In this corner you'll find beautiful tiles. So I used to work with Somani Ceramics. It has a sister concern named Shablona. So they used to create these tiles to give to our clients. So it was like compulsory to like they compulsively gave it to us also. So I created it into an art. If you see, like I used some mirror, some wooden frame. Also, if you see this is an old Rakhi. It's like beautiful combination of wood, mirror and tile. This is our master bedroom. Let me tell you about this corner. This is painting of plant because we couldn't have much plants because it's quite dark here. But yes, we like plants a lot, so I painted this. Let me tell you about this. This is like picture wall. I have it in every home I have lived in. So like I used little leaves like threads to like create a planty look, but just good wall and good to watch. Here we have a plant as we needed some plants. It's an old stool thing, so I'm using it as a planter. So this corner we got this full length mirror to like get ready, and I got it from Banjara Market. And we have one plant because we need to have plants. And I like dream catchers a lot, so we have a dream catcher here. This is like Chinese fan. I loved it because it is eco-friendly and colorful. So we got this and we placed it here because it would like give a cute look here. Let me show you the colors also. So we needed some colors in our room. We couldn't paint the walls, so we used these things to like decorate our like curtains. As I told you, like dream catchers. Here is the dream catcher I got from Delhi. Like big dream catchers, but beautiful one. This is my favorite corner. Like it has plants as I like. It has picture of my niece. I love her. There are some again bottles I made, some candles, a lamp to read in the night, some books here. This is my brother gave it to me, so I keep it here nearby. If we talk about this painting, again I painted it using like leaves, old leaves. Now we talk about the bed. Again I got it from a thrift store for very cheap price. Thank you for watching the video. For more such content, don't forget to subscribe to LBB's Homely Newsletter.